Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to clean your NOKIA X20 USB charging port using household items. So remember, never use metal objects to clean the connector, so as not to damage the moisture protection and the charging mechanism itself. I suggest you use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. And as you can see, there is something in my charging port that is preventing the charging cable from going all the way into the connector. And now we are going to try to clear it. To get it out, you first have to take the cover off and take the brush in your hand. Then only insert the one part of the toothbrush in the charging port and gently try to pry out the dirt. And cool, that's all. Thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.